And I'm like, whoa, man, my neck so goddamn cold. Diamonds with my bands inside my shorts, your jean, all the shit.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're guys new in my channel, welcome. My name is Sao. I do beauty, DIY, and mostly some beauty hacks in this channel. And so don't forget to click that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you will be notified. For today's video, I'm going to do some swatches and review for the PERIPERA Ink Airy Velvet. So I have three shades. It's the Pretty Orange Ink, Beauty Coral Pink, and the Rose Pink. So this PERIPERA ink has 15 shades, so you can totally check on their website, Clio website, link a lot of shades, but I got mine in an online store. If you want to check it out, I'm going to link her Instagram account in the description box below. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with a small boxy type. This is how the product looks like. It looks like a eye drop. It doesn't give you that pinch or anything. You need to twist it. You need to twist it open. So this PERIPERA Airy Ink Velvet is a product from Korea. You can get yourself in Clio website, which I'll also link down below if you're interested to get other colors. So let's proceed to the swatches. This is the three shades that I got from PERIPERA. What I noticed it has a little perfume scent. So if you guys are interested in perfume scent in your lipstick, it's totally fine. But if you don't like that kind of scent, because if you're wondering, for me, I don't know where did I smell this one, but if you're not sensitive into kind of floral or blossom candy type of smell, this is totally fine. So the last shade that I have here is the Pretty Orange Pink. It's kind of the pinkish to orangey type. If you guys are wondering if this is a transfer proof, it doesn't show that much. So I'm going to test here if this can be also a smudge proof. a little bit. But as you can see, the ink is still here. So we're going to test if it will remove with the cleansing water. I'm using my L'Oreal. So let's see if this really removes. Okay, so as you can see, so it slightly removes some of it. It's very smooth, it's very soft in the lips. It has like an imaginary petroleum jelly on your lips. It feels like a silicone type, if you know what I'm saying about the silicone type. It's like a cushion type when you put your lips all together. But overall, for this review for the PERIPERA, I'll give it a big thumbs up. And money wise, it's quite cheaper. Some online stores put it on sale. My hair is not in the mood today, I'm sorry. This is my natural curly hair. Yeah. Alright, so this is the end of my video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell, okay? So you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Alright ladies, have a good day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Inside my shorts, a chino, the shit. Ay, try to stuff it on in, but it don't even fit. Ay, know that I've been with the shits ever since a jit. Ay, I made my first million, I'm like shit, this is it. Ay, 34.